Welcome back to Pente Spotlight. I'm Grace, your friendly neighborhood data guardian, keeping an eye on tech that claims to save the world.
And I'm Joshua, the tech enthusiast who actually wants to believe that claim, at least sometimes.
Today we're talking about Google's latest AI, a geospatial system that reads satellite images, weather data, and maps to predict natural disasters before they strike. Sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it?
Totally. It's like Google Earth just got superpowers. Imagine your map not just showing roads, but warning you about the next big flood or wildfire.
That's exciting and a little terrifying. I mean, what if it gets things wrong? A false alarm could send an entire town running for the hills.
True, but here's the thing. The system learns from patterns in past disasters. It studies rainfall, terrain, population density, all those geeky details to improve its accuracy.
Accuracy's great, but what about privacy? If AI can predict where we are in danger, it probably knows where we are. Period.
Fair point, but in disasters, that data could mean faster rescues and smarter evacuations. It's like giving first responders a digital compass that points straight to where help's needed most.
I do like that. AI that's actually useful, not just showing us cat videos.
My takeaway, when humans and AI work together, disaster response gets faster, smarter, and way more efficient.
And mine, this tech is promising, but we can't forget the human touch. Fairness, privacy, and accountability should lead the way.
That's it for today's Pente Spotlight. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, because learning how AI protects us is worth spreading.
Thanks for listening. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep questioning the tech that claims to know the future.
Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and remember, even the smartest AI still needs a human heartbeat behind it.